very happy to always come again with these kind of questions, and it's very, very fun doing them. You have simplified square root all in 160r squared plus square root of 71 all plus square root of 100r raised to the power 8. I am going to start with the list. I'm going to start from this part. So when I have square root of 100 times r raised to the power 8 times 1 over 2. Please, very important thing I want you to note is this. Let me finish first. We have 10 r raised to the power 4. Remember this. If you have a square root of a, it's the same thing as saying a raised to the power 1 over 2. Square root of a is same thing as a raised to the power 1 over 2. So if you have a raised to the power 8 in square root, it simply means you are having 8 raised to the power 8. And this root, square root, is going to be times 1 over 2. So you have a raised to the power 4, because 2 will cancel 8, and you have 4 left. So have this at the back of your mind throughout this expression, because we are going to be using them throughout. Having said that, I have finished with 100 r raised to the power 8, and everything gave me 10 raised to the power 4. So the question continues with, I will have 71 r raised to the power 4 plus 10 r raised to the power 4. Remember, I have dealt with this one to have 10 r raised to the power 4. So this plus 10 r raised to the power 4 plus this. I'm going to factor out r raised to the power 4. So I'm going to have r raised to the power 4 bracket 71 plus 10. Remember what I did? R raised to the power 4 is here, and r raised to the power 4 is here. I brought them out. So what is remaining here is 71, and what is remaining here is 10. This plus this is going to give me square root of r raised to the power 4 and square root of 81. Now, r raised to the power 4 means r raised to the power 2 times square root of 81 is 9. So I have 9r raised to the power 2. So, remember how r raised to the power 4, square root of r raised to the power 4 became r raised to the power 2. It's still this problem whereby square root is 1 over 2. 1 over 2 can multiply by 1 over 4. 1 over 2 multiply 4, you are going to have 2 on top. So that is how I have this. So let's move on. So I have simplified everything here. Has been simplified to be 9r squared. So I'm going to have 160 r raised to the power 2 plus 9r raised to the power 2. Now, I also have r raised to the power 2 here and r raised to the power 2 here. I'm going to have r raised to the power 2 bracket 160 plus 9 all in square root. Now, this is r raised to the power 2 bracket 169 with a square root. Now, square root of 169 is 13. This r will cancel this root and we have r. So everything is going to be 13r. Your comment at the comment section is very important. If there is anything you don't understand, talk about it. I'm going to put you through. Thank you.